Today I am making a new mini paper Barbie doll. How is this mini paper Barbie doll? Please comment about it and don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. How is this? I think that it is beautiful. Please comment it and don't forget to subscribe and watch the video till end. Finally, I had cut it. How is it? Now I will cut all these accessories. I had cut it. Now I am putting dress for it. How beautiful is that dress? See that how I am putting? You also put like that. See it? Now I will do it properly. How wonderful is it looking? Now I am putting wig for it. How is this wig? I think that it is beautiful. Now I will put hairband for it. How is this hairband? It is very beautiful or only beautiful. Now I am putting shoes for her. How is this mini pretty shoes? Now finally I had put all the shoes for her and accessories, dress, wig and ribbon for her. She is looking too beautiful. So don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.